seed starting, my favorite time of year. I am going to share with you what I am planting indoors on my 12th week mark on January 22nd. If you're interested in me sharing how I come up with my 12th week mark, what I should be planting, 10 weeks, what I should be planting before our last frost, just let me know. Comment in the comment section 2024 garden so I know this is something that you guys want me to share. All right, first up, camo eggplants. I am actually going to start these for a friend. I grew these last year. I didn't really like the texture of them, honestly. I didn't like the taste either, but my friend loved them, so I'm going to grow them for her. Onions. Come on, we all know. Love, love, love onions. 110 days to maturity, so start them now. Celery, even longer. 120 days till maturity. Start them yesterday. Parsley, kale. This one was amazing. If I find a picture, I'm gonna insert it. And that wasn't even full maturity, the picture that I have. Shishito peppers, prolific growers, amazing. Rosa Bianca eggplants. I love these eggplants. They're so sweet. The flesh isn't tough. I love these. I love these eggplants. Serrano peppers, jalapenos, bullnose peppers. These are actually pretty cool to grow. They provided more than what I expected them to provide. Broccoli rabe, my kryptonite. I have tried to grow broccoli rabe successfully for about 2 seasons. I will get small florets. Aphids decimate them usually, even if I companion plant. I don't know. I don't know if this is a good variety for me to start again, or if you all have other suggestions, please provide them, but I'm gonna give it a try. I don't like failures, so I'm gonna try again, and hopefully they will be prolific this year. Like, I want more than just like one little stalk. Rosemary, essential. These take forever to grow. And leeks. I grew these. These are really, 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 really good. 120 days to maturity, and that is about it, y'all. What is next? I do videos like this throughout the seed starting process, so don't forget to swipe left and follow. And I'll see you on the next one. Do you want to sit with me?